Hi there, it's Leanne here from LILA with your latest update. 2018's got off to a really good start here. We had a big increase in bookings from South America last year, and the students are starting to come through now, so the nationality mix in the school is excellent, really nice and vibrant. One of the things that I wanted to talk to you about mainly was junior bookings, which are coming through nicely for the summer. We do still have availability in the junior academies though, so that's the Junior Digital Academy, Dance Academy and Football Academy, all of which are excellent. So if you do want any information on any of those, let me know and I can get some over to you. You can contact me at leanne@lilalovetolearn.com or just give me a call. We're also attending lots of events this spring. So if you're going to be at any of them, we'd love to see you, meet old friends and get in touch with some new partners as well. I'm going to ISEF Dubai with Bruno, and then after that we've got the QE workshop in Seoul in March. Francesca and myself are going to IALC Bologna in Italy, which we're really looking forward to. And Bruno's going to Mexico and Colombia for the ISEF Roadshow. So if you're going to be at any of the events, or in fact if you'd just like to get in touch with us and learn a bit more about LILA, then let me know and we will send you some information. Thanks, bye.